Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to share with you a very powerful, simple and 100% natural remedy that can help maintain your health, beauty and youthfulness. This remedy is a special natural drink with a profoundly powerful effect that works gently but deeply on your body. Often we spend a lot of money on expensive creams, serums, and treatments. But the true secret to beauty and youthfulness always comes from within our bodies. This natural remedy supports your body from the inside, where true beauty and transformation begin. It is surprising to think that many anti-aging experts seem to overlook or undervalue this remedy even though it has been a tried, tested, and effective method for a long time. If you use this remedy daily in the right way and proportions, it can nourish your skin from within. It helps repair damaged skin cells, supports collagen production, and makes the skin firm, smooth, and youthful. Gradually, you will notice a reduction in wrinkles, fine lines disappearing, and a natural glow on your face. Moreover, this remedy is not limited to just the skin. It also accelerates the body's detoxification process, helping to cleanse the liver, purify the blood, and improve metabolism. When the body is clean and strong from within, it almost automatically reflects positively on the appearance of your face, hair, and your overall personality. You will feel more vibrant, refreshed, and active. Another important point is that this remedy helps slow down the aging process, allowing you to stay youthful and healthy for a longer time. However, like all natural things, correct usage and proper dosage are critical. If you use it incorrectly or excessively, it can lead to negative rather than positive effect. This is why it is always essential to exercise caution and maintain balance. In this video, stay until the end because I will not only share the exact recipe for this remedy, but also the correct timing, the proper method of usage, and small but essential tips to enhance its results by 2 to 3 times. If you truly want to make your skin naturally youthful, radiant, and healthy, this information can be very valuable for you. Let's find out what ingredients to use. First of all, the main ingredient is amla or Indian gooseberry. Perhaps many of you use amla, but most do so incorrectly, which is why almost all of its benefits are lost. According to research, until amla is mixed with a particular natural ingredient, your digestive system cannot properly absorb it, which is why many people do not experience its benefits. Amla or gooseberry is one of the ancient Ayurvedic remedies that has been used for centuries, and now modern research also confirms its benefits in fighting aging. Amla contains a unique antioxidant compound called amblycannan, found only in amla, which significantly aids in rejuvenation and strengthening of the skin. Amla has 20 times more vitamin C compared to oranges, and its vitamin C is linked to a compound called tannins, which protects it against oxidative damage, making it more beneficial for the body. This is why vitamin C supplements or other foods generally do not provide the expected results. But amla works naturally and effectively to help build and strengthen collagen in the body. It makes the skin smooth and glowing, reduces wrinkles, and slows down the effects of aging from within. However, research has also found an important problem related to amla. And this problem is not with amla itself, but with your digestive system. In your digestive system, there are certain enzymes called glycoproteins. The purpose of these enzymes is to break down large polyphenol compounds found in amla, which provide antioxidant and anti-aging benefits for your skin and body, thus preventing your body from fully absorbing these natural and beneficial compounds. This is why many people who consume amla do not experience its full benefits. But according to research, when amla is consumed alongside black pepper or its natural compound papain, its benefits are greatly enhanced. Papain temporarily blocks these enzymes in your digestive system, allowing the antioxidant and vitamin C compounds in amla to be directly absorbed into your bloodstream and effectively impact the body. Studies have also proven that consuming amla with the papain significantly increases its benefits. Now, let's talk about the common mistakes people make when using amla. The first major mistake is cooking or heating amla, such as boiling it in water or cooking it in dishes. When amla is heated, its delicate polyphenolic compounds and amblycannins are completely destroyed because heat damages these beneficial elements. So, if amla is cooked or boiled, its primary benefits and positive effects of antioxidants and vitamin C on the body and skin are lost. Hence, the correct way is to consume amla raw or lightly cooked and pair it with black pepper to unlock its full potential. Reaching your body, bloodstream, and skin, using it incorrectly wastes all the antioxidants and vitamin C compounds in amla, and you would not obtain the desired results. The second major mistake people make is not consuming amla alongside papain, which results in its ineffective absorption in the body. This is why many people don't feel any benefits from amla. The most important thing is to eat amla in the morning on an empty stomach. Because if it is consumed with food or hot meals, its antioxidants and anti-aging compounds are not properly absorbed by your body. Now let's talk about this remedy, which includes amla and offer numerous benefits. To prepare this remedy, you need 1 teaspoon of amla powder, preferably cold pressed or freeze dried for maximum antioxidant content. Then take a pinch or 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Because it contains papain, which temporarily blocks gut enzymes and facilitates the absorption of amla's antioxidants and vitamin C directly into your bloodstream. Next, add half an inch of fresh ginger, finely chopped, which boosts anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties, reducing inflammation in the body and enhancing the anti-aging effects when consumed with amla and papain. Lastly, you can mix in half a teaspoon of raw fresh honey for taste. By consuming this mixture every morning on an empty stomach, the natural compounds in amla are fully absorbed by the body, making the skin soft, bright, and youthful, diminishing wrinkles and signs of aging and internally boosting your health. Hence, the correct absorption of amla powder, fresh ground black pepper, ginger, and honey becomes the ultimate antioxidant and natural anti-aging remedy. On a side note, fresh honey itself offers various benefits, as it contains polyphenols compounds that amplify the anti-aging advantages of this remedy. Now let's explore the preparation method and the optimal time to consume this natural drink. Start by taking a cup of warm water. Make sure the water is only slightly warm and not too hot, or else the antioxidants will degrade. Next, add 1 teaspoon of amla powder, 1 to 2 pinches of black pepper, half an inch of fresh ginger, and half a teaspoon of honey to the warm water. Mix all the ingredients well and let it sit for 1 minute before drinking. The best time to enjoy this drink is in the morning on an empty stomach. During this time, your body is in a fasting mode and the enzymes that prevent the absorption of amla compounds become less active, enhancing digestion. Avoid eating anything for at least 30 minutes after consuming the drink. Using this natural remedy not only improve the health of your skin and body, but also positively impact your immune system and energy levels. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds cleanse and calm the body internally while diminishing the harmful effects of free radicals. Additionally, the ingredients in this remedy boost metabolism, helping maintain healthy weight and proper digestion. Your hair and nails also thrive due to essential nutrients and antioxidants, making them strong, thick, and shiny. Hormonal balance benefits as well, aiding in slowing down the natural signs of aging. If you incorporate this remedy into your daily routine, you will observe transformative changes in both your body and face, radiating natural glow and vitality. This is holistic and complete approach that not only enhances external beauty but also improve internal health, providing far more beneficial than moderate creams and supplements. All right, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.